The three toughest problems for software engineers are: the first one is JavaScript, the second is DSA, and the third one is loneliness. After conducting a research on more than 50,000 software engineers, we have found out that 89% of them suffer from HSS, which is Hyper Single Syndrome. They are shy, introvert, and hardly have a group of 2-3 friends whom they always talk to. Most programmers suffer from this serious condition of hyper single syndrome, but hardly anyone knows about it. If not cured in time, HSS can lead to low attention spans, hyper mood swings, and NPM, which is natural programming malfunction. In a research conducted by JWT School of Psychology, it is found out that single programmers are 17% less efficient at work than the others. We at Namaste Dev are highly committed to help the software engineers in not just their professional life, in their career, in knowledge learning, in job search, but also in their personal life. After hustling for 6 months, day in and day out, our team have developed a super efficient solution for your hyper single syndrome, and now you don't have to suffer with this serious problem. Today, my dear friends, we are launching our brand new product, which is Namaste Dating. It's a one-stop solution for all the single programmers to find their soulmate. Our mission with this product is to help all the programmers go from single to committed, that too with a partner of your fantasies. We have built an AI-based amazing platform, an application that you can just have to use for all the single programmers and find your soulmate out there. In the last 6 months, we have built this amazing application that will help you. It's very straightforward with all the transparency, and that too free of cost. Now, if I tell you honestly, this is our way of giving back to the community. We found out a problem for the devs and we started solving it.
Now, this problem was very tough to solve. We had to build our in-house hyper-realistic algorithm with the codename SRK. SRK stands for Supervised Reinforcement Kinetic Algorithm. This algorithm was especially designed for single frustrated programmers. We trained this algorithm on a dataset of more than 1 million samples. We are also planning to open source our SRK algorithm so that it can help the community in many other ways possible. And you know what? Our algorithm has an accuracy of 95.67%. Isn't it great?
Enough of this tech stuff. Now let me tell you exactly how it works and what you will have to do. So you just have to go to our website, fill in your preferences and submit the form. That's all you need to do, my dear friends. And now after that, our hyper-realistic SRK algorithm, that is Supervised Reinforcement Kinetic Algorithm, will take care of everything, and it will just take 23 seconds to find you a best soulmate of your choice and your fantasies according to the preferences you have filled. Now once you have the matches, you just have to send a PR and wait for the partner to approve it. Now that PR is not the pull request, it's the proposal request. Once your request is approved, then you will get a lot of features. Some of them are you can just go and chat with your partner, or you may choose to video call. We have the best tech team out there. Our amazing software engineers are working day in and day out for the last 6 months to build this technical heavy application, and we also have AI solutions in our app.
AI is the backbone of our app. Programmers find it difficult to continue the conversation with their loved ones. So we have our own AI assistant. The super efficient AI algorithm analyzes users' profiles, preferences, and behavior to suggest potential responses to your match. We use NLP to understand users' inputs and generate appropriate responses, making our interactions feel more natural and safe. Don't worry, our super friendly chat window will give you the best flirting suggestions using GPT-4 assistants powered by AGI. In simple terms, our AI model will help people connect in more meaningful ways, keeping interactions safe.
When we started working on this app, we were very sure from the day one that we have to put a lot of efforts in security as well as privacy. Privacy is a very important pillar of our application, because a lot of our users will be having a private conversation with their partners, so we need to keep their data safe and private. So for that reason, we have our own privacy in-house team that has developed a spatial cryptographic algorithm that is known as HRX encryption. That is known as hybrid rotation exchange encryption that will encrypt your chats and all the private messages so that they are never leaked. Even we can't see your messages. It is just you and your partner can have their private chats. Whatever you wish to send, you can send it totally safe and private. Okay, so we want to keep this experience end-to-end encrypted, end-to-end private, so that your privacy is never a concern when you are on the Namaste Dating app. I know you must be very excited, my dear friend, but let me tell you, this is just the MVP. We have focused a lot upon tech, security, privacy, AI, and we have put this all together to bring you up with Namaste Dating. And let me tell you, my dear friends, this is just the MVP, the first version of our app. We are soon going to build amazing features out there so that our users can wear a VR headset and talk to their partners so that they can have a hyper-realistic metaverse kind of an experience with their partner, just sitting in their room or wherever you wish to. Okay, so we are trying to build that experience very soon, and you will soon see that in our app as well. And we are also trying to build a feature where you might want to talk to multiple partners at the same time. So we are enabling our app in such a way so that you can talk to multiple partners at a time in case you are not happy with the first one. And not just this, there are so many features, new features lined up. And I would also request you all, if you are thinking about an exciting feature in our app, drop it down in the comments and we will consider it. Take my word. So what are you waiting for, my dear single friends? Go ahead and check out the link in the description. Go to the Namaste Dating app, fill your preferences, submit the form, and you are good to go. Go from single to committed and live your fantasies in the reality. Bye-bye.